All right, hello, this is Suzanne Sanchez, and I am doing my practice screencast. And as you can see, I'm here at one of my favorite websites. It is called The Modern Mrs. Darcy, or just Modern Mrs. Darcy. The reason I like this website so much is because I'm a book lover, and I feel like she and I are in line with our preferences in reading materials. I also think that she makes very good recommendations in terms of reading material. My favorite part to go to in her website is here, which is reading guides. But as you can see, there are other options for you to check and look at. She does podcasts. You could just click here and scroll down on her homepage. You can see that she's written a blog post, links I love. She posts about her podcast here. Here's a reading list, what she's probably going to read in 2019 for the reading challenge. I'll probably click on that in a little bit and check that out. Again, another list, 23 books I can't wait to read in 2019. And as you can see, it's so on and so forth. But these are all on her homepage. These are all recent articles that she's written, and they just post right to her homepage. You can see she has here where you can do ebooks, the best deals that are out there right now on ebooks. She has a book club, if you want to look. She gives recommendations. You can join the book club. They do different activities. You can see here the different things that are involved when you sign up for her book club. Let's go back home. Just back out of that. I'm going to take you to her summer reading guides. Her summer reading lists are my favorite. This is why I come here. This is why I love this website. As you can see, I've already kind of been here navigating through a little bit. She has a list. You just click here, the entire summer reading guide. You can just click on that. Nope, just kidding. Or you can come down here to this link here, and she has her list sorted by categories. I like that she sorts her list by categories. And I'll scroll through and show you a couple of her categories. These are just easy reading novels with the serious substance. I normally will pick things from here because I like easy reads. As you can see, you can scroll through. If you click on the link, you can buy now. What I do is I go and use her lists, and I make my own separate list at the library, so I don't have to pay for anything. So there's that. Scroll down. These look like very interesting choices. Mysteries. Now we're into the mysteries portion. I like this category too. I'll probably pick a couple here pretty soon. Families that are complicated. I've picked from that list as well. These tend to be very good in the examination of the family structure. I like it very much. Let's do one more, and then I will, ladies, heroines that you can root for, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, she does really comprehensive reading lists, and she'll go through, she has several summer reading lists. She began her blog in 2010. So she's done a summer reading list since 2010, and then you can see she has different categories here. Unput downables, I normally will look at that list. So you can see all of her different reading guides here. I have to say that if I really am looking for something to read and want to know what's out, what's up and coming, what is really just really good material, I will come here. for new and fresh ideas. And then What Should I Read Next with Anne Boggle, that is her podcast. You can click on that and go to that page and you can see what they're talking about for this week. Anyway, it's just a really well-maintained, well-researched, and a nicely presented website that I like very much. And as you can see, you can like her on Facebook, which I do. So anytime she publishes a new article, it comes in my news feed for Facebook. So I really enjoy it. I hope that you have enjoyed my practice presentation. I'll be posting her website pretty soon, as soon as I'm done. So I appreciate it. Thanks for listening. Hope you're having a good night.